Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Happy Sunday. I hope you're all having a lovely chilled Sunday. This video is a little bit different to my other videos, but it's a video that I thought would be really useful if you're wanting to start YouTube or you've got a really small following and you're just looking for some extra tip of how you can grow your channel or start it. So I've come up with 10 tips and tricks that I wish someone would have told me when I started, but I've learned the hard way, so you don't have to. I'm going to tell you these 10 tips and hopefully they'll help you in the long run. There's a lot of things that I did wrong and I don't want anyone else doing because it's just wasted my time and it was a lot of effort. So I am a small YouTuber and I've recently just been monetized, so I want to tell you how I did that and hopefully these tricks will help you along the way. So the first tip I would give is you've got to know your niche. You've got to have a really good niche. Don't follow the crowd or what's trending. It will never work because you won't be passionate about it. You'll burn out and then you'll just think, oh, I can't be bothered doing it anymore. I recommend doing something you're passionate about. If you do something you're passionate about, it's long lasting. The content will be more authentic and fun because you can tell that when someone's passionate about it, they put a lot of effort into the videos and a lot of time, and they upload more frequently. So yeah, if you're going to start YouTube, don't just start for the sake of it. You've really got to have a passion and a niche. It's okay to change that niche if you are not decided yet and you want to try a few things out. I've been on YouTube now for I think nearly 5 years, and I first started out on health and fitness because that's when I was in my early 20s and I was really into like the gym, healthy eating, physique, blah blah blah. Now it's a lot different. I've had 2 children and now it's about like family life, motherhood, holidays, trips away, and that is something that I'm passionate about now. And although I still love my fitness, I'm not as passionate as I used to be when I was younger, and I've changed my niche and it's actually worked out for better for me. So don't think, oh, I've done a niche and then I can't move to another niche, because you absolutely can. And sometimes it does pay off because you're more passionate about it and it shows in your videos. Number 2, the second tip I would give, and I used to do this when I first started out and I had like 30 subscribers. I didn't know that in the long run it wouldn't help. I don't know if you've heard the term sub for sub. People say, hey, love your stuff, just subscribe, would love a sub back. And then you click on their channel and you realise that they are also a YouTuber. So in the long run, yes, you've got another subscriber, but they're never going to watch your videos, never going to comment, never going to share, and they're never going to be like a long-standing viewer. They're only subscribing really for their own benefit to get another subscriber. And I have found the hard way, learned the hard way, and I've not done that, God, since the first year of starting YouTube. I've never sub for sub, but the first year I was like, yeah, sub for sub, sub for sub, and then you realise that you're losing subscribers because once they've subbed, a couple of weeks later they'll just unsubscribe. So that is another thing. I wouldn't recommend sub for subbing. It's great if you find like a little community chat or something, or someone who is on your niche and you want to help each other through like tips and connecting and things, but I really would not recommend sub for sub. I just don't think it helps your channel in the long run. Coming off of that, and my tip number 3 would be to try and recognise that you will be getting emails off YouTube evaluation specialists, and they will give you a free evaluation of your CEO, which is just how your title, thumbnail and video shows up on the home screen or on the first page of the search. They will say that they'll give you a free CAO and how to make this better and how to get your videos out there as the first one anyone views. But in the long run, I have just found out that these people literally just want money off you. They will do a slight evaluation and then we'll give you more tips and tricks, but we want this and this amount off you. I've had them emails and I've never entertained them because I have learned that they're just to trying to get money out of you. So I still get them emails to date, people saying, do you want a free CEO? And I just ignore the emails. Some of my videos, some will get 28,000 views and some will get 100 views. And that doesn't dishearten me. I just carry on and I literally don't care that one of them's a lower CEO because that is my niche, that's what I'm passionate about, and I just carry on. Trust what you're putting out there and don't let anyone try and take money from you. My tip number 4 would be monetization. Don't think you're going to start a channel and be monetized overnight. It does happen to some people. I have seen like a few people on YouTube say monetize in 3 months, but it's very, very, very rare. YouTube is a long-standing thing, and you need to put a lot of time, a lot of effort into your channel. That's why I say be passionate about what you're doing, because you're just going to get bored. There was a few girls who started with me 5 years ago, and not one of them is still doing the channels because they was just thinking they was going to get monetized straight away and not doing it for the passion and the enjoyment of it. Where I actually really enjoy doing YouTube, and I look back on the videos now of the boys and stuff, and I think I will cherish these videos forever. And I think that's paid off because now I'm monetized, which I'm really excited about. I would just say, don't think you're going to be monetized overnight. I have been on YouTube now for 5 years, nearly 5 years. I think the end of this year it'll be 5 years. My number 5, and this is something that I know a lot of people do, it ruins the channel because you can just tell they're doing it for the freebies or some money. But I would recommend do not accept every freebie, gifted item or money being emailed to you or asked to promote. I haven't learned this the hard way. I've not accepted every offer given to me. I'd say I've now got 1,300 followers, and I probably get an email a week, I would say, asking to promote a product on my channel, and a lot of them things I don't actually promote. A lot of them are not safe, like for instance, because my genre or niche is motherhood, baby, family. A lot of them are baby products, and a lot of them I don't think are safe, or you can tell that they're not regulated. So although they're offering me free gifted items or money, I do just ignore those emails or respond politely with, I can't promote this product, so I do apologise, because I know that in the long run it's not good for my channel, me promoting something that I wouldn't use on my own children. So I only would promote things that I'm passionate about or I would use in real life. So yeah, try and not accept every email you get, every offer and opportunity you get. Make sure you know it's representing you and what you do well. Coming off that, you think you won't get offers, but you honestly will. Like, I've got 1,300 followers. As I say, I get an email a week of someone asking to promote something, get free stuff. My number 6 tip would be consistent with your uploads. I have learned this the hard way. I've been on YouTube, as I say now, for nearly 5 years, and like year 2, year 3, I would probably upload one to 3 videos every 6 months. And if you don't know, to get monetized on YouTube you need 4,000 watch hours in 1 year, and you need 1,000 subscribers as well. So therefore, if you're uploading every now and again, you're not going to get 4,000 watch hours in 1 year. You need to be consistently uploading every single week. This also helps with the algorithm, and people know that you upload. Say I upload on a Sunday, people know this and they come back. I've got regular viewers now who come back, watch me, comment. Yeah, so don't just upload like willy-nilly whenever you want, or just like leave it a couple of months and then come back, because it really does not help with your watch hours. When I was doing that in year 2 and 3, I had like say 2,000 watch hours, and because I wasn't uploading, they was actually going down, and I'd come back one day and they'd be like 1,900 watch hours. So you really need to be putting in the time and uploading every single week. 1 video is enough. People say no, you need to be uploading 3 times a week. You don't. If you're busy and you've got, like me, like kids, once a week is absolutely fine. You still, and if them videos are, people are watching them and liking them, they will actually help towards your hours. I think I've been uploading consistently now for, I've been on YouTube for 5 years, but I've been uploading consistently for the start of this year. I was like, right, I'm actually going to give it a go this year. I'm really going to give it a go, because I've been dedicated and passionate. I've been on YouTube for 5 years and I'm still not monetized, and I really would love to do this as a job. I would love it. So I thought, I'm going to give it 2025. I'm going to give it my all in 2025, and if it doesn't work in 2025, then we'll see at the end of the year. But anyway, it's now May and I've been monetized, so it just shows that if you really put the effort in, upload every week, you can get monetized, some sooner than others, but it just depends on your niche and how much effort you put into your channel. My number 7 tip would try to upload on all platforms. It's great putting a YouTube video out every week if you can, but it's better, say if you have, I don't know, 300 followers on Instagram, 200 friends on Facebook, 300 followers on TikTok, 300 followers on Twitter, which I think is now called X, I'm not sure because I don't have it. But that's nearly 1,000 followers on other platforms. So if you just upload to YouTube, let everyone else know on that platform. You can do a link to your video and just put new video, whatever. Do that when you upload it and you're guaranteed to get more views, even if people are just coming to have a nosy or a laugh. It's another view, so who's laughing really? Yeah, I would just recommend upload on every platform you can and get your videos out there. That's the best way to start off. Don't be ashamed, just put them out there and use the links. My tip number 8 would be, and this is like controversial, some people don't like doing it, some do, but I know it's been circulating on TikTok. People are like, why the hell not? But it's just to let brands know that you're there, get your name out there, send a few emails, be like, hey, this is me, this is my channel, do you want to collab? People will come to you, but not when you're a small YouTuber. You have to get yourself out there and get yourself known. So what's wrong with sending a few emails? All you're going to get is no. So yeah, send a few emails, say, hi, this is me, do you want to collab? I'm coming here, I love that product. It's very controversial, but I just think, why the hell not? Get yourself out there. My tip number 9 would be, is get yourself a good camera and a good editing software. This may be hard for like when you're first starting out. I remember when I first started out, I just took a leap of faith and I was like, I'm going to spend £700 on a camera. Like, I was really into my fitness at the time, and it was when people just started doing videos on fitness. I was a little bit bigger and I'd lost quite a lot of weight, and I was promoting this on Instagram, and a lot of girls were messaging me saying, can you have some tips? How have you done it? I was getting like 5 to 10 people a day messaging me, and I was like messaging them all back, and I just thought, you know what, I could actually like make this into a YouTube channel and promote my weight loss and my fitness journey and my healthy eating. So I just bit the bullet one day, bought a £700 camera and just did it, and I just never looked back. But if I would have started on my phone, I think it wouldn't have got me as far as I've been today. This camera, I have got the Canon G7X and I've still got it now. 5 years later, it still works, it's still good quality. So yeah, I would recommend get yourself a really good camera. The Canon G7X is a really good camera to start with. It's a little bit pricey, but it's so worth it. And then any software on your laptop, there's loads out there. I use Shotcut, but I've used CapCut, I've used iMovie, I've used quite a lot. But as long as it's a good editing system and a good camera, it will show in your videos. You can tell when someone's got a good quality camera, a good quality editing software to someone who's not and just using their iPhone. My number 10, this is probably the most one that I just want you to just take away and just remember, because I think it's something that I've not really been bothered about. Don't care what people think. People are gonna talk about you, they're gonna laugh at you regardless of what you do. So do what makes you happy, and if that is making yourself a YouTube video, uploading every week about whatever, then so be it. People will laugh and look regardless, so why does it matter? And I just say, at the end of the day, who's laughing now? Because eventually when you get monetized and you're earning money and they're at home still laughing at you, who's laughing then? And you know, YouTube, it opens so many opportunities, so many doors. I just think, do what makes you happy. If you want to do that, then do it. All you've got to do, don't care what people think, they're gonna talk about you regardless. Just be you and it will pay off. And with that, that is the end of this video. I hope you've really enjoyed it. I hope them tips are really helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you want to, if you're interested in motherhood. Yeah. And I'll probably see you next week. If not, and you're just here for the video, thank you so much. And if you have started a YouTube or want to let me see your channel, put it down below, I'll have a little look. So yeah, thank you guys, love you.